kidnapping her 2-year-old daughter, Kate.
Go ahead, shoot some hoops.
What they had to say.
Yay! Do it again.
An elaborate menagerie of lies.
Oh, almost. It bounced off the rim. Do it again. Oh, almost. Do it again. Do it again. Shoot some hoops. Oh, you're missing all your shots now. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Okay, do it again. Shoot some hoops. Yay! Do it again. Do it again.
You came home during the call, just before 10 o'clock.
Yay!
She was released from jail.
Go ahead. Yay!
What was it like when she came home?
She just says, yeah.
Oh,
Jamie took her. She has her, and I told her where she at.
shoots the hoops. Oh, almost.
Well, that's good.
I'll help you. Here's the ball.
Knocked on her door asking about
Oh,
was the moment
so close.
her entire life changed.
Go ahead, put it in. Put it in.
Casey Anthony or Casey.
Oh, bounced off. Here, put it in. Yay!
Katie. I've never been in there. I didn't know who they were.
Let me try. Ready? Can I try? No? All right. Oh, can I try? Can I try? Ready? No? All right. Go ahead. Watch Mom. Ready? Oh! Oh, it went in. Here, your turn. Put it in. Dunk it. Dunk it. Here. Put it in. Go ahead. Go ahead.